Some kids are harder to reach, but we'll do everything on our power to reach them one way or the other. So we got you. Okay. We'll take care of you one way or the other. Okay. All right. He goes with you. I don't know if they're going to bond you out, but you know, if you do get out, you better be on your best behavior, and you are not to go anywhere. What I'd like to do is, you know, I'm going to take him in now. I'd like to do an evaluation. It's called a TRAS to see what the best way of going forward. You know, we have clinicians that can sit there and evaluate him, talk to him, figure out what's going on, and you know, perhaps boot camp is the right way. Perhaps, you know, we have these other things that we have at our disposal to see how we go forward, because I just don't know. I don't know what's going on in his life. I don't know what he's doing, what he's taking. Say it again.
They want to increase his level of supervision to YMAX.
Who said that? Felony points?
No, misdemeanor, because he's a part of the PTI. He's already completed the TRS this year, so because of the new law violations and how famous they kind of are, they want him to do YMAX.
Did you hear that?
I did. Judge, again, I think that these probable cause statements are giving a skewed picture of what's
So
really
that's
going
right. Let's not put the cart ahead of the horse. We'll give you time. And then if you see something different, just come back and let me know. If you need anything, always come back. We're here. We'll help you out in any way that we can. And I'm, you know, sometimes, Mr. Poole, I'm entering in what's called the Magistrate's Order for Emergency Protection that identifies SM as a protected individual. You're not to commit family violence or an assault against this person, commit an act in furtherance of an offense under section 42.072 of the Texas Penal Code, which is the stalking statute. You cannot threaten, harass, use another person to communicate a threat or harassing behavior. You cannot be in possession of a weapon or go within 200 feet of where the person works. If you violate this court order, the state can and will file a violation of protective order, and you violate those conditions, I can have a hearing to hold you at no bond. Zero bond, and I will do it in a heartbeat to protect every person of Harris County. Do you understand, Mr. Poole? Okay.